If I was starting a roofing company today, here's the top 3 steps I would do to get at the top of Google search rankings. 70% of the people click on a non-paid item. I'm talking about Google Maps, Google Organic. And most people are going to click here where you're going to be able to make money at. So starting out, I'm going to have a fantastic website, not a basic one. Guys, you get graded on everything. You get graded on everything you do, and if you don't have a good user experience, you won't show up in ranking. In fact, you need a page even for every material that you have if you expect to show up in Google Maps, because it would create a poor user experience if you didn't have it. And it doesn't need to be the most basic template. People get these basic templates, slam reviews in, wonder why they don't show up at the top of search rankings. Now, I'd have reviews as well. I'd have Google reviews and all kinds of reviews from around the web coming in to that great website. And then third thing, most importantly, data pins. We develop data pins so this stuff actually works. The reason sites don't work is because they get these basic templates and abandon them, or they spam them. So it's way beyond the time that you can put up blogs and think that you can manipulate Google with poor user experience content, which Google calls non-helpful content, and expect to show up in the top of search rankings. You need a website and you need content, but you can't violate Google Webmaster guidelines, and it's got to be a great user experience. So data pins, you can use it out in the field. It's a little app on your phone. It'll take 90 seconds a job. It can be automated through the CRM. It can be used from the office, but it'll grab the geo coordinates, photos, video, and words of the job. So if it was an asphalt shingle roof, it'll post to that page. Whether the client left you a review or not, you get to raise your hand and say, hey, we did this job here. So those are called digital brand signals. And you can't just do your website. So data pins now will go back out. If it's a video, it'll post to YouTube automatically, or a Facebook post, or an Instagram post. And those begin to distribute. Now the brand has a website changing with great content, where jobs were done, what they were, photos, videos. They count as unique content. If it's a TPO, it goes to the TPO page. If it's a repair, it goes to the repair page. So you put up proper website, proper coded, proper content, and then the content goes up and changes every time you're on a roof, every time you do a job. And that's valuable content. And then the distribution can't stop there. That's changed in the last couple of years. You can't just say, hey, I'm going to have a website that's bad, spammed, or great, and get reviews. You've got to have a great website, get reviews, have proper content changes through data pins, and then have other digital brand signaling like your social media. Ignore the macro items. Great website, reviews, multiple social media, and you can expect low rankings. Pay attention to the macro items, and you can expect great rankings. Done this for 16 years out of Dallas-Fort Worth, maybe 17 now. I've had data pins for 7, maybe 8 now. And we've done this and helped hundreds of roofers. Give me a call when you're ready. We'd like to hear from you. I look forward to being of service.